Throughout the year in Nepal, various gods are remembered, worshipped, and fasting Brata is observed in their name. Mahasivaratri, which falls on the day of Phagun Shukla Chaturdasi, is a festival celebrated to mark the birthday of Lord of the Lords Aradhya Dev Shiva, and it's celebrated grandly by the Hindus. This day is also regarded as the day when Shiva Jyotirlinga self-emerged and thus taken to be a holy day. Although there is always a considerable mass of Hindu devotees in Shiva temples, but this day the Shakti Pit, place believed to be infused with God's special power of Lord Shiva, throughout the country sees a huge mass of devotees. Pashupatinath Temple in Kathmandu, Nepal is one of the important pilgrimage sites of Hindus, which sees a huge mass of devotees standing in a line from early morning to worship Lord Shiva on the day of Shivaratri. This line continues till night of the Shivaratri. It is assumed that about 7 lakhs Hindus from Nepal and abroad come here to worship Pashupatinath. "10,000 volunteers, 3,000 security personnel are mobilized to maintain the line and to provide security to the huge mass of devotees. About 5,000 sadhus, saints from different places step their foot on premises of Pashupatinath on the day of Shivaratri, which makes this temple and this occasion more eminent. Of various sadhus and yogis ascetic arriving here, the main attraction becomes the naked Babas. There is also reason behind naked Babas coming here. Naga Babas are absolutely clothless. From a week ahead of Shivaratri, the temple and the vicinity is cleaned, decorated with various colorful lights and ornamental gates that makes the holy Pashupati area look like the abode of gods Devlok. This duty goes over to Pasupati Vikas Kosh or Pasupati Area Development Trust. On this day, Nepal Army also observes Sainik Divas or Army Day. According to Linga Puran, taking bath on a day before Sivaratri, that is on Trayodasi, fasting with pure heart, keeping an all-night long vigil and worshipping Lord Shiva early in the morning. On the next day, that is Chaturdasi or Sivaratri, can get all the work accomplished, and it is also believed that the devotee gets a place in Sivalok, abode of Lord Shiva or Kailas, on getting liberation from this world. Of all the Hindus' gods, Lord Shiva is believed to be the kindest of all, and while worshipping, he gets pleased soon and fulfills the wishes. So, he is the most worshipped god of Hindu devotees. Married women believe that by taking Brata on Sivaratri, their husband gets long life, and unmarried women believe that they get a wise husband. In most places, Lord Shiva is worshipped with things dear to him like Belpatra, Dhaturu, Fulpati. But according to the experts, on this day, the proper process is to worship Shivalinga with milk in the first prahar, a unit of time in which a day is divided into 8 prahars, making each prahar equivalent to 3 hours. The first prahar starts at 3 a.m. with curd in the second prahar, with ghee in third prahar, and with honey in the fourth prahar. There are 3 reasons behind celebrating Mahasivaratri. The first reason is that this day is the birthday of Lord Shiva, or the day when Shiva Jyotirlinga self-emerged. The second reason being that this day Lord Shiva married Goddess Parvati and transformed her. The third reason is that when Kshir Sagar got poisonous because of boycott of Samudra Manthan or churning, it became unusable for human and other life. So, on request of all beings, the Lord of the Lords, Shiva consumed the whole poison and managed to keep it in his throat, by which his throat turned blue, and hence he is also called Nilkantha. Thus, he made the water of ocean pure and saved life of all beings and the world. And it is believed that Sivaratri is celebrated to thank Lord Shiva for this. Devotees are seen to worship Lord Shiva till night without eating anything, staying awake whole night by heating themselves over dhoni, a holy fire devoted to Lord Shiva, and ending this occasion according to the religious process to celebrate it again next year. On the third day after Sivaratri, 8,000 sadhus, according to their ability and proficiency, are offered an amount of rupees 151 to rupees 1,000 and farewelled by Pasupati Area Development Trust.